Hello everyone, good morning, and welcome to my mini podcast self-introduction. By the way, my name is Jason D. Inaldo, but you can call me Son for short. And by the way guys, I'm really excited because I've been talking about myself or life. Before that, I want you to know where I study and how happy and enjoying myself for now. I am studying in Camtino National High School. Yes, I know that if you're a student, most of the time goes to attending classes or making project, etc. Like this one. To be honest, I am a funny guy, clean guy. In someone I feel comfortable, like friends, family, relatives, etc. And my birthday is February 9, 2010. Yes, my birthday is February 9, 2010. I am 15 years old, but I am not happy when my birthday is coming. You know why? Because for my birthday is just a ordinary day or nothing special when my birthday is coming. You know why? Like this one. Especially when your parents is far from you. Like my parents, they never attended my birthday. They always busy on their work. Even in my birthday. That's why I realized that my birthday is just a ordinary day or a simple day. Nothing special and nothing's new. And if you ask me if I'm sad, yes, I am sad when my own parents are not here in my side when I celebrate my birthday. To be honest, I don't hate my parents. I just hate coming from their mouth. And that's legal about me. I hope my podcast introduction give you some information about me. Thank you for listening. Bye.